welcome back to Curly Beauty 13. I'm Tiffany. Today I'm here with the May CurlBox unboxing. So I'm gonna open the box and let's see what we got. It's pretty light this month. Here's my CurlBox. So here's a little booklet. It's May 2021 CurlBox. So these are some products I've never seen before. They look like some humidity resistant products. So let's just look and see what they are. First I see it's called Zero Fuss. It's by the brand One and Only. And this is a spray wax. I'm not sure what this does. Oh, it's like a hold spray. That's it right here. Next is the Zero Fuss Styling Balm. These say they're cruelty-free, by the way. The next item I see is the Zero Fuss Styling Cream. And then there is the Zero Fuss COARSE / FRIZZY Hair Primer. Okay, and then there's two other items. These are also from One and Only. This is a powder hair color kit. This is a permanent hair color. It says no ammonia, it's one application. This one is chocolate brown. And the next one is the same powder hair color kit, permanent hair color. This one is in black. So these are interesting. I don't know if I would want to color my hair. So that was my May CurlBox unboxing. These are items that I've never seen or heard of before. I have heard of the brand One and Only, and I'm not sure what I've used from them, but I know I've used something. Let me know if you've heard of any of these products before. Comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.